guys! Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
How disappointing. Diba? Galit na galit si Xiaoling. Sino naman hindi madi-disappoint? Ginamitan lang naman siya ng fox potion. Flutter. Bis sasali lang siya sa campfire eh. Alis tuloy siya. Ayan, tingnan natin. What will happen? Siguro disappointed siya sa self niya kasi gumana yung love potion sa kanya. Chief. Lagot ka ngayon kay Chief mo. Bakit ka gumamit noon? How dare you come to me? Diba? Pati Chief mo ayaw na sa'yo. The fox love potion is forbidden in our tribe. Where did you get the bones of female foxes to make it? For sure, kinalkal niya yung libingan, di ba? Para makakuha niyan. You should be banned. No, I didn't. No, I didn't, Kachan. Tanggi pa more. Stop lying to me. Not long ago, a dozen females were missing in our tribe. So, pinatay niya. Oh my gosh. Ang sama mo, girl. I thought they were taken away by other tribes. Hala, grabe siya. Nakawa niya yun. Ginagawa niyang pumatay. Sabi ka naman din na, Chief, hindi mo nabantayan. They were actually used to make the love potion by Yi Wu. Talaga, kawawa naman, uy. Ginawang love potion. Sama mo, girl. Dapat sa'yo parusahan. You should be executed for killing our own tribe members. Dapat lang. I trust you so much that I even want to pass on my position to you. Chief. Wala na. Too late. Too late na, huwag ka na mag-chief-chief dyan. I'm so disappointed in you. Turn around. Hanggang disappointment ka na lang. Di mo na alagaan yung tribe mo. Don't let others laugh at us. I'll punish you later. I didn't do it, Chief. Please trust me. Trust you. Ginawa mo na nga. Char. Kneel down. Paluhod-luhod pa ang galing, umarta ni ate. Don't cry. Your chief must misunderstood you. Wala, baka siya ang inutusan mo. Pangalan nito. Itong new character na to. Kapatid ni Mui. She'll understand you with time going. Pumatay ka ng katribo mo, tapos ma-understand ka pa. Fox love potion is incredibly strong. No wonder you three were carried away with Yi Wu. It only works on adult males. You're a female, so you were not possessed. Siyempre, love potion gani. Para gani sa girl, no? Para sa boy. Fortunately, Little Lotus destroyed her plan in time, or you would have become puppets. Wala kang ginawa eh. Dapat kasi inalog-alog mo man lang. I should try to break the curse. I'm flattered. Ang saya ni Little Lotus. Happy yarn. Happy siya na naano siya ng mother niya. The stupid Muyi must be fascinated by that female fox. Talaga, baka ginamitan nga ng potion yun eh. Muyi, get back! Startled. Lagot ka ngayon sa ate mo. Lagot ka ngayon. I'm fine. Go back. Char, may paawa effect si ate girl. O, diba? Sino ba naman yung fascinate sa ganyan ka-innocent na face? In dilemma si boy. Ano ba talaga? Sister, she's injured. I'll come back after sending her home. Should turn around. Ano, grabe. May kasalanan na ngang nagawa iyan. Sabagay, love is blind. Muyi, come back! Come back ba din na ako? Inalayan niya si drama queen. It seems that Muyi has been possessed by the female fox. We should be careful. Ang dalawang pogi. Ang abs niya ay napakaganda. She, a weak girl, actually used such a vicious skill. Weak girl ang tingin niya sa kanila. Sa kanya pala. And even killed her tribe members. We must find a chance to kill her. Kill na naman. Noisy. Tada! 1-1. Late ka na, Sangyi. You finally came. Did you fetch us liquor? It was noisy. What happened? Liquor na naman. Wawala ka na naman sa sarili mo. Nothing. Kasi, syempre, na-under sa spell. We'd better not let Sangyi get involved in this trouble. No matter how bigger the trouble is, I can swallow it. 1-1, have a drink. Thank you. Zing. Di ba nawawala sa sarili nila pag nakakainom to sila? We'll see what will happen next then. Oh, it tastes mellower. What's mellower again? I don't remember what mellower is. Good liquor. It's refreshing. Nakoy, baka pa naman pag nalalasing ka, boy. Chibi really looks good on them. I mean, I did something improper to 1-1 when I got drunk last time. I can't get drunk again. Oh, wawa naman. Naalala niya tuloy. Pat. I think he's asking to 1-1 to sit by his side. Huh? Dad! It's Dad. Why did he call him Dad? It's Mushang's child. Mushang's child. Dad ang tawag niya. Cute. He must be sleepy. I'll give him to Mushang when she's back. Bagay siya kanya may anak. Baidi really likes children. If he has a child, he must be a careful dad. Of course, every dad is careful to their children. Why not give them one? O diba? Ang cute-cute talaga dito. 1-1. Ito na naman si Shuangyun. Ang likot-likot. Ay, hindi. Ang kulit-kulit. I'm not as gentle and considerate as Baidi, and I'm not yet Sangye, who has 2 penises. But I really like you. Don't leave me. Ooh. Ayun. He got drunk already, and we know how silly this guy is when they're drunk. I want to have a child with you. Shuangyun is drunk again. And he's asking for a child as if he's just asking for a candy. Don't hold 1-1. 1-1. To finish my task, I should reproduce more children for the Rock Mountain, so I should work hard. Ayun, tumagay. 1-1, you have no way out. 1-1, don't drink much. Bakit siya tumatagay ng marami? Well, we don't know. Hiccup. Alright, let's go back and have a rest. Naubos nila. May food pa. He's drunk. I'll drug him back. Drug talaga ang ginamit. Ooh, I'm a coyote that nobody loves. Drugs him away. Drug talaga. Look at how he got. Sira din to si Sanggi. Bitbitin ba naman si Shuang yun ng ganyan? I'll send you home. Pogi-pogi talaga ni Baidi, diba? Baidi, I feel burning hot. Beat a butt. Beat a butt. Our pretty girl is drunk. It doesn't matter. The mountain wind will cool you off soon. Iba naman kasi yung tinutukoy niya Baidi eh. Ito naman din si Baidi, manhid.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!